Have you guys ever seen one of these? Well, now you have. And if you're interested in seeing how well it works, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I received this Saker Mini Chainsaw. They contacted me and to see if I would do a review on it. So I said, heck yeah, I will. We go camping a lot. We're always out in the woods, so I would love to use this. This is going to be the 6-inch version. So let's start unboxing it and see what's all in this box. It's got a nice hard case here. Nice clips. Just pop those, and then we open it up. So it comes with your user manual here. Let's see what else here. They even give you a pair of gloves here. Wow, that's pretty cool. You got your wall charger here. Got your adjusting wrench right there. And they give you 2 chains. Here's the actual saw. Safety glasses. And they give you 2 20-volt batteries. 2 of them. Now that is pretty cool right there. And it looks like, I'll take them out of the package here in a second, but it looks like these batteries even have the LED lights to show you how fully charged it is. And then last but not least, it comes with a little Phillips head screwdriver right here and some chain oil here. Alright guys, so I just put the battery on here. You hit this button as a safety, and then you hit the trigger. Pretty cool. So let's head outside and see what we can find and see what we can cut. Alright, we're going to start with this smaller piece right here.
Will it cut?
Looks like it cut pretty good.
Yep. So this one is 2 foot long. That first one, it's sliced. So let's see if it can slice this one. Alright, we had to roll it over again, but hopefully this should be the last time. It's taking a long while. As you guys just saw, we reviewed our Saker Mini Saw. As you can see, it really cut. Well everybody, that's our Mini Chainsaw. As you can see, it went through all of our tests. It works pretty good. It can really cut. And thank you, Saker, for sending us this Mini Chainsaw. I'll leave the link in the description below. This really will help out on our camping. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!